This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Alora Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood-HG interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, air conditioning, external shower, refrigerator, stove top burner, leveling jacks, Colorado detector, smoke detector, self-contained, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Spartan K2 Tag Axle with OnGuard chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 450-HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.